Welcome back to Growing Up Garage. I'm Caden Johnson, 91. And today, if you saw my last video, I hope you guys did, my brakes weren't working when I was running so good, but then we also found out later that my engine wasn't working. So we're here at the shop, and we're gonna change out the motor with this awesome new one. So let's get to it. So before we pull out the motor, we need to pull off the Nerf bars and the panels with this wrench and a socket and an impact gun. And also, I have my dad here to help me too. So let's start pulling the panels off and the Nerf bar off. Now we need to go get a flathead screwdriver in order to pull off the panels, as I told you. So this is the flathead screwdriver that we're going to use. And they will just pop off too. Last one. Oh, it's so heavy. So here it is, guys. First panel off. So now I'm going to take off my exhaust, and it's easier to take the engine out. So let's go. So now it's time to take off the gas tank. So we're going to unbolt this little bolt. So in case you guys did not know, this is a ratchet. So you can, there's different sockets that you can put on it, then you can take off different bolts. Just look, that socket fits right in there. So that's what you can use if you want to take off anything that has bolts or nuts. I'm gonna take that out. Gas tank's off. We're making progress, check it out. Engine is like it's like braking because no one's like working on it for a couple minutes. But so in order to take out the motor, you gotta get under the car to get the bolts off. So we're gonna take this forklift and we're gonna lift it up and we can take the bolts off. Start it out, Dad. Guys, I think we got all the bolts off the engine part. Now I think it's time to take out the engine.
Look at that. I think you could even lift that. Can you hold it? Oh, it's a little heavy, huh? There it is, guys. A little mini dwarf engine.
Harbor Freight engine.
Look at this fresh engine.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
It's fresh black coated. Good job, Harbor Freight.
Alright, move the box, bud.
So now we need to clean this little plate that the engine's this on that nice engine. So that this is not all getting dirty and stuff. So I'm gonna go get a rag. So this is my old motor that I had in the car, but this is my brand new one we're gonna put in here. So this is the gas tank, this is the air filter, and then this is where the exhaust comes in. So we're gonna put this pipe on there, and then we're gonna change this one with the old one that was on the old motor, but we're just gonna take this off and put it in a separate place. So they're always separate. So we're not just gonna put the motor in and then pull everything up. So there's a lot to do now that we got the old motor out and then we got the new one out of the box. So let's separate everything and put everything in. Let's do it. Put that on there. So guys, now we need to take off the air filter and put the old one on. So get off this bolt. There we go. Got that bolt off. We got that old. Now we need to get this other one. Now we got the air filter off. Now let's put on the new one. Oh, the old one. No, it's new. And this is a wrench. So we're going to take off the two bolts. We're going to take off the... So this is the last bolt we have to pull off. And I just pulled it off like it's supposed to.
When I was looking at it back there, it looked like they kicked the front back out, but now when I look at it,
Oh, here we go, guys. So that is the exhaust. So in order to put the air filter on, we need to take the air filter adapter and put it on there, and then we'll put that on. So let's take it. I go to the beginning of the video. We're doing so much progress. So now we got the air filter adapter off, and now we're going to put it on the new motor. No more is actually handy dandy. So look how old this old engine looks turned up. But look how nice this new engine looks. So that's the one that we're gonna be putting in the car. And we took off the parts too, off this one, put it on. So now let's install this in my car. And I forgot to mention I had both Kelly Michaels here. Hi. Oh my God. So we put in the brand new motor. Look how nice it looks. It still looks the same, but at least it will work good, fast. We adjusted the pedals, fixed the brakes. We gotta run it, we gotta start it, and we're gonna run it and make sure it drives good.
and make sure, what is that behind you?
I'm like 190.
were good, but we made a huge mess, as you can see right there. Got a bunch of tools on the thing, a bunch of tools on the toolbox. There's an engine on the floor, a bunch of fried grease. But make sure you guys smash that subscribe button and like this video. And check out my next video at Barona Speedway and Cal VMX. So we'll see you guys later. Bye. Wait, sorry, cut. But thank you, Kelly Weitzel, for helping my dad put in the motor and me. And now, bye. See you guys later.